How to fix Shopify domain error. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your Shopify store and after that go to the settings option by clicking on this bottom left hand side corner. Here select the option of domains and make sure that you have connected your domain properly over here. If the problem is still there even after checking out this domain section, just simply open up the apps section on the left hand side panel. Now over here, go through the different applications that you have recently installed and after which you have faced this particular issue. If you can track down any particular application which is causing this particular issue, simply click on the dots over here, then select this particular option of uninstall. Uninstalling that particular application will help you solve this particular problem. And if the problem is still there, then this might be due to the browser of yours, and to solve this particular problem you will have to clear up the cache memory of your browser for this particular site. Now there is a way to do it. You can either go into the settings or you can do it this way. Simply click on inspect element over here, then click on the arrows, then select the option of application, and over here you would be able to find the cache memory of this particular website. Simply click on this option of cache storage as well, then click on this option of clear site data, and this way you would be able to solve this particular problem. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.